In this tutorial, we'll go through a few simple ways to unhide columns in Excel and make your data visible again. Earlier, we looked at how to hide columns. Now, let's see how to bring them back. It's usually easy to notice hidden columns. You can spot them by a double line between column letters. Another clue is missing letters. For example, column H appears right after column E, which means columns F and G are hidden. Let's unhide them. Select the column to the left and the column to the right of the hidden columns. Right-click, then choose Unhide. The columns will show up again on the sheet, and they'll also be visible when you print. Method 2. Select the same columns again, go to the Home tab. Click Format. Choose Hide and Unhide, and then pick Unhide Columns. Done. Method 3. Unhide all columns. To unhide every hidden column in your sheet, click the box in the top left corner to select the whole sheet. Then right-click any column letter and choose Unhide. Now all columns will be visible at once. Method 4. Using shortcut keys. Select the columns around the hidden ones, then press Ctrl plus Shift plus 0, your hidden columns will instantly appear. That's it. If you found this useful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy Excel tutorials. See you in the next video.